Hello and welcome to Coding for Kids. In this episode, we're going to look at more complex maths in Python. Let's get started. So here I've just opened my idle to get to this stage. We're going to be using more than one line of code. So I'm going to go File, New File to open this one. I'll move this over here. In Python, there's the built-in code, and then there's code that's built in but that's not readily available to you. And this code is more complex than all the other code. To get access to this code, we have to use an import function. So, to get access to the more complex maths code, we're going to go import, and the folder is called math. We're going to go import math. Now, the first complex code that we're going to look at is square root of a number. So, we're going to say math.sqrt, which is square root. What number? So let's go 9. That's quite nice. Then we can go make this a variable, a equals. Then we can go down here and go print a. Save this as maths. Let's run this to see what it does. Okay, so it wants it just as this, I think. That's a syntax error. So we'll go run, see if this works better. Okay, 3.0. So we go math square root. When you put it in the string, in the inverted commas, it becomes a string, and they can't do maths with strings like our types of data video. It has to be in number form. So the square root of 9 is 3. Now, if we want to go to square something, so let's say we want to square a, which is 3, should give us 9. So what we're going to do, b equals, there's two ways of doing this actually. We could go equals a, because a equals 3. If we want to square it, we can go asterisk asterisk. So 1 asterisk is times, 2 is square to the power of 2, like this. And then if we go print b, this should work. So we go save this, and then we go run module. 3 and 9. So this is correct. Another way of doing it is by going math.pow, short for power. And then here the syntax is what you want to go to the power. So if we want to a to the power of something, we go comma. If we want it to be by the power of 2, we put a 2 in. Just like this. Now if we go print C, save this and run this. Run module. You can see it's printed 9 as well. So this works. And if we're going to do something more, we can go math.pow a, and let's go to the power of 4. And then we can go print D, save this, run this, 81.0. Now you will notice that all of these answers have decimals, and that's because with complex maths, we use float. It uses a float data type automatically. We can see with these ones here, if we go math dot the function, that uses the imported math software. This is basically so Python knows that you want to use a function that's come from the imported library. And so this is organized code, and this is the syntax that works. This is the general concepts of using complex mathematical functions in Python. I hope you enjoyed learning about some of the more complex maths you can do in Python. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.